Alright guys, welcome to Plant a Garden or welcome back to Plant a Garden. So today is a beautiful planting day. I don't know if you guys familiar with the moon planting, but today is a beautiful planting day and we're in February right at this moment. But I'm going to plant some kale which I already started planting. I already dig out some of the hole. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to definitely be doing some planting here. You see guys, worm in this soil. I didn't put the worm there, but automatically they end up there. So that's telling you nature is working. Look how the plants them, very small. Some people worried about planting them this small. I don't. So you take them like this, you put them down inside there and you just cover them right up to the bottom leaf and you just leave them right there. Same thing you do over here. You just buried right up to the bottom of the leaf. This is gonna be my early crop. So what's gonna happen by the time these ready, by the time these finish, the pepper will be coming in at this time. And here is a very good location to plant peppers. So, you know, you gotta know how you setting up your garden. You gotta plan for, you gotta do your short season. And after the short season, you know your long season crop gonna be coming. So you gotta get the soil prepared and the space. So you gotta know how to space out your plant. So when one finish, the other one is right here. So these are kale I'm planting right here in the heart of the winter. The thing about it, kale can stand the cold weather, so you ain't got to worry too much about the weather is too cold. I think this thrives better. To me, this thrives a lot better in the cool weather. So my planting season already begin because I'm planting. For the people who have short growing season, just get your seeds them sow and prepare and ready for after that last frost, you will be okay. So just get your stuff going that you can be ready for when that. You see, look how small they are, very small. But I don't worry about that. Matter of fact, I think I love planting them very small than big. I really do. So alright guys, we have a few kale in the ground, which is right here. So by the time March, April, I'm gonna be harvesting from these kale. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna be start planting different things like peppers and other things. Alright, so I have another kind of kale I want here. I don't want to plant them too close because I want to do companion planting as well. So I don't want to plant them too close. I want to plant them that I can plant other things in between. So all right, let's do a few more holes right here. Okay, so my planting day begins. All right, so let me dig a few more holes right here. That's one. That's two. That's three. You see, guys? Look, we have worms. The soil is so beautiful, watch. We have worms just running around in the soil. You see? So beautiful. Okay. This small, but I'm not worrying. Very small. One thing I gotta make sure, I have to make sure I come to check to see if any leaf fall on them. You know? You gotta remember that. When you plant, you gotta come and check to see if these leaves fall on them, because these leaves will definitely kill them. Okay? Dig another hole right here. Alright guys, so guess what guys, today is planting day. Today is my first planting day in the garden. I have some onions that I'm going to plant here as well. So you guys can stay tuned and follow me, and let me put these onions in the ground and let you see how I plant. These are some onions. Someone give me these onions. It's such a blessing that people give you stuff, because, you know, I give people, you know, food, and somebody decide they're gonna give me a pack of onion with like 100 inside of it. Right? So I want to plant them right across here. Right across here. But let me show you how I'm gonna do it. Okay? We have garlic right here. So I want to put an onion bed right close to it. Okay. So let me give you a little peep of how I'm gonna do this onion bed. I'm gonna dig out a trench. Right? Watch and see, right? I'm digging a trench inside. We all do things our own way, but this works for me. So I'm gonna keep doing stuff that works for me. All right? So I'm gonna show you how I plant in these trench. Okay? I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. I'm not gonna do everything, I'm just gonna show you how and how I cover them, right? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to plant these. The flower. Okay. All right. Okay, we already got a sprout here, which is cool. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll take them down at least an inch. I cover them at least an inch. And I'm gonna put them, this part with the root goes down, okay? I'm gonna put them at least 4 inches apart. Four inches apart, 1 inch down. I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing this. Right, 4 inches apart. Okay. Alright. So let me show you what I'm going to do now. What I'm going to do, this soil up here, I'm going to rake them down. I'm going to just bring them over like this. I'm going to just bring them over. You see, I'm going to just bring them over. Some people might say, oh, you plant them too deep. Some people might say that, but guess what? I think it's worked pretty well for me. So this is why I'm gonna continue doing it this way. So now, when you do it this way, the onion gonna have more soil to play with. Some people just plant them 1 inch down and then they just grow. Sometimes they fall down and collapse. But when I do them this way, I notice they stand up stronger and more firm, and I stand a chance of getting more bigger onions. So this is why I do it this way, because it works for me. Don't want to carry the video too long. Appreciate you guys. Hope this video means something to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace, love, and blessing to each and every one of you. Peace.